The life story of Albert Einstein. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. Listen, repeat and practice. Albert Einstein, one of the most iconic figures in the history of science, was born on March 14, 1879, in the city of Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, a part of the German Empire. From an early age, Albert exhibited qualities that set him apart from other children, though not in ways one might expect of a future scientific genius. As a child, he was quiet and introspective, often engrossed in his thoughts, and spoke so late that his parents worried he might have developmental delays. However, this initial silence belied a mind that was already beginning to question the mysteries of the universe. Albert grew up in a middle-class Jewish family, with his father, Hermann Einstein, running an electrical equipment company, and his mother, Pauline, nurturing his early love for music. His parents encouraged intellectual curiosity, but young Albert's experiences in school were far from ideal. The rigid structure and rote memorization of the German education system did not suit his inquisitive and independent nature. He often found himself at odds with teachers who demanded unquestioning obedience rather than critical thinking. Despite his struggles in formal education, Albert's fascination with science and mathematics began to bloom at an early age. A pivotal moment occurred when his father gifted him a simple compass. The young boy was mesmerized by the needle's unwavering alignment with the Earth's magnetic field, an experience that ignited a lifelong passion for uncovering the hidden forces of nature. He later credited this moment as the beginning of his quest to understand the universe. In 1895, at the age of 16, Albert decided to leave Germany to avoid compulsory military service. Moving to Switzerland to continue his education, he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, a school known for its progressive approach to science and engineering. Although he excelled in physics and mathematics, Albert's unorthodox methods and disdain for rote learning often alienated him from professors and peers. It was during this time, however, that he met Sylvie Mari, a fellow student and one of the few women studying physics at the time. Their intellectual companionship blossomed into a romance, and the two later married, though their relationship was fraught with challenges. After graduating in 1900, Einstein struggled to find a teaching position, partly due to his unconventional approach to academics. He eventually secured a job as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern, a position that allowed him to work regular hours while leaving ample time for his scientific pursuits. It was during these years, often referred to as his miracle years, that Einstein began to formulate some of his most groundbreaking theories. In 1905, Einstein published four papers that would revolutionize the world of physics. This discovery not only challenged Newtonian mechanics, but also laid the groundwork for modern physics. Another paper explained the photoelectric effect, providing evidence for the existence of quantum theory, a field that would later win him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Einstein's ascent to fame was not instantaneous, but by the 1910s, his work had begun to attract widespread attention. In 1915, he presented the theory of general relativity, which described gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of space-time caused by mass and energy. This theory was famously confirmed in 1919, when astronomers observed the bending of starlight during a solar eclipse, precisely as Einstein had predicted. The validation of his theory catapulted him into international stardom, making him a household name and a symbol of intellectual brilliance. Despite his scientific achievements, Einstein's life was far from smooth. His personal life was marked by turmoil, including a troubled marriage with Milva, which ended in divorce, and the challenges of raising his two sons. He later remarried his cousin Elsa, who provided him with stability and companionship during the peak of his fame. Einstein's later years were deeply shaped by the political turmoil of the 20th century. A pacifist by nature, he was horrified by the rise of militarism and nationalism in Germany. When Adolf Hitler came to power in 1933, Einstein, being Jewish, faced persecution and chose to emigrate to the United States. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he spent the remainder of his career. Although Einstein was an avowed pacifist, the advent of World War II forced him to confront difficult moral questions. In 1939, he co-signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning of the potential development of nuclear weapons by Nazi Germany. This letter ultimately led to the establishment of the Manhattan Project, which developed the atomic bomb. While Einstein did not directly participate in the project, the association of his work with nuclear weapons deeply troubled him in his later years. He spent much of his time advocating for peace, disarmament, and international cooperation. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76, leaving behind a legacy that transcends his scientific contributions. Beyond his revolutionary theories, Einstein's life serves as a testament to the power of curiosity, perseverance, and intellectual courage. He once remarked, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." This humility, coupled with his relentless pursuit of knowledge, continues to inspire millions around the world. Einstein's contributions to science reshaped our understanding of the universe, while his commitment to humanitarian causes highlighted the profound responsibility that comes with knowledge. His story reminds us that true genius lies not only in the ability to solve complex equations but also in the capacity to envision a better, more compassionate world. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more such inspirational videos.